Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by assessing damage. Remove laces and wipe the midsole and outsole with isopropyl or soap so glue bonds. Once clean, flex the shoe and measure separation so you know where to focus. Make sure to roughen both glued surfaces with 120-220 sandpaper. This increases surface area for adhesive. While you prep, open contact cement and put on gloves, set clamps or heavy books nearby. Now you're ready for adhesive application and immediate pressing. You apply a thin, even coat of contact cement to both sole and upper. Follow the cement's tack time, usually a few minutes, so it bonds on contact. Once tacky, do a dry fit and align toe to heel because repositioning after contact is difficult. Press one side at a time, moving along the seam, then immediately clamp every 2 to 3 inches so pressure is uniform. Make sure excess glue is wiped away with a cotton swab before it cures, and allow recommended cure time before handling. Once clamps are removed, trim any cured glue carefully with a utility knife and smooth edges with fine sandpaper. You can add an edge sealer or clear silicone bead for water resistance and to prevent dirt ingress. Allow a full cure, typically 12 to 24 hours, then test by gentle flexing. If it holds, you're done. If separation reappears, clean and resand the surfaces. Then use a stronger, flexible urethane adhesive and clamp longer. This fixes poor initial.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.